Hello, this is my CS50 project called Watchful Protector. It's a Chrome extension whose purpose is to restrict how much time the user can go on certain websites each day. So let's go ahead and add it to Chrome. It's a public extension so anyone can download it. Alright, so now let's go to the settings page. Let's add some block sites. Facebook.com, YouTube.com, some classics. Let's set how much time we're allowed each day, 5 minutes. Look at that, 5 minutes. The clock is not running right now because I'm not on a block site. But if I go on a block site, then the clock is ticking. So if I go off a block site, the clock stops. Now, what would a procrastinator do? Obviously, the procrastinator would want to remove pages or increase the amount of time allowed. So I have a security system in place where there are different levels of security. But let's say I'm on security level 1, then I can't just remove a website. I have to get clearance. And I can't just increase the amount of time. I have to get clearance. So how do I get clearance? I go to this thing where I have to write exactly what it says. If I mess up, I have to start again. The whole point of this is to incentivize users not to procrastinate because it's hard, and the higher the level of security, the harder it is. Right now, I provide each one is some inspiration, just extra incentive not to procrastinate. We know who we are, we know not what we may be. That's some Shakespeare, not my own quote. Alright, so now I can remove pages. I could set the time, I could increase it, but right now I'm going to decrease it because I want to show you what happens when the time runs out. I'll put YouTube back there. Let's put Amazon also, just for show. Okay, now we go to my statistics page. The statistics page, it prints out, it outputs graphs for each blocked website and how much time I spent on that website each day that I've had the extension. Right now I've only had it for 1 day, so it's kind of underwhelming, but with a lot of days it would look really, really cool. With give you a lot of statistics. So now let's go to a blocked website and see what happens when the time actually runs down. So now I'm out of time today. So let me go to a blocked website. Oh, redirected. So let's see what happens. Up. Some much needed inspiration for the frequent procrastinator. I'm William Brick, and this is CS50.